in Burnaby today. Oh, this guy. We are in Burnaby today. We are going on kind of like a sunset walk. It's almost 5 p.m. right now, but we decided to try out a new trail. We're at Central Park. I don't know, we've never been here before, so I'm really excited to see what kind of trails are ahead of us. バーナビーに今日は来てます。今もう夕方になって5時なんですけど、ちょっと新しい来たことないトレイルに来てみたんですけど、このセントラルパークっていうところで、キングスウェイの方の通りのところなんですけど、ちょっとここら辺を今日はそう初めて来たので一緒に見てみましょう。
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something's
なんかすごいバーベキューとかしてるね。すごい賑わってる。There's like barbecues happening everywhere here.
I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see. Was feeling that you saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around. Saw million signs. I might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Ooh, 'cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah.
There are so many squirrels in this forest. You're not supposed to feed them, but I feel like most people probably do feed them because they like get closer to us and they're kind of like waiting for like nuts and seeds and stuff. ここはなんか異常にリスが多くて、これなんかリスが多いエリアなのか、なんか人間にも慣れてて、みんななんかねナッツとかあげるみたいだから、もう目の前でこう立ってこう待ってるみたいな。あ、ここにもいる。見て、あ、ここにいる。ちょうど。あ、ナッツ誰か置いてるんだね。見える？あ、ちょうどいなくなっちゃった。ここにピーナッツ置いてる。落花生。See, there's peanuts. Hi. Taking a quick break. We've been walking for like almost an hour, but I really liked that trail. It was really nice. I didn't get bit by any bugs, thank God. And the squirrels were super cute. I got a few videos on my phone as well. ちょっと今休憩中です。もう1時間ぐらい歩いてるんですけど、すごく綺麗なトレイルで、虫にも刺さってないし、でリスもすごい可愛いからいいとこ見つけたって感じです。I went to Vancouver yesterday actually, and I took a few pictures. Look at what I saw. This is on like the seawall. シーウォールの方の散歩で昨日見つけた、なんか見たことないので、多分これ新しいと思うんだけど、そう昨日バンクーバーに行ったので、there's also a cruise at Canada Place like that. Super pretty. でカナダプレスにもクルーズが泊まってたし。We have come to a Japanese market because we need to grab a couple things. I'm very tempted whenever I come to these things. I always want like some snacks and things like that. So we'll see what we get. But I haven't been here since I've been back to Vancouver. So スズヤにちょっと寄ることにしたんですけど、いつもなんか日本のスーパーに来ると日本のお菓子買ってしまう癖があるので、ここは日系センターです。ここがもうジャパニーズコミュニティみたいなところなんだけど、すごいお花とかも綺麗でしょ。見て。わー綺麗。This in particular, but I just want chocolate, and I would get this, which I got like every day while I was in Japan, but I don't know. I just think that I shouldn't, you know? Because then I'll eat the whole box, so I'll just get this. Cute. I feel like such a child, but I got it. I think it was kind of expensive. Let me see. It was $3.14. ちょっと子供っぽいんだけど、こういうの大好きなので私。でもこれ300円ぐらいした。高っ。イエーイ。いただきます。Delicious. I might have been allergic to like the types of trees that were in the trail yesterday because I tried out somewhere new right yesterday and I literally couldn't sleep last night because my nose was so stuffed and I was just having this really bad allergic reaction for some reason. But anyway, so today we are at Minnekhada. We're just gonna walk like a little bit of the way because this place is actually really dangerous. Right now it's been known for like having bears come out, which is like extremely scary. So we're gonna put on our bear bell once I'm done vlogging. But after this, we're gonna go to like this different trail and whatnot, but I really wanted to show you guys the view here at Minnekhada because it's really, really pretty. 昨日行ったトレイルのところの木とかなんかそこら辺のものにすごいなんかアレルギーが私があったみたいで、昨日全然寝られなくてすごい鼻が詰まってしまってちょっとアレルギーがひどかったので、今日はメネキャラっていうところに来てて、今ここクマが出るっていうことで今有名なんだけど、だからすごいちょっと危なくてブログ終わらしたらベアベルをつけるつもりなんですけど、ここすごい景色が綺麗なのでちょっとここの景色見てから次の違うトレイルに行くっていう予定になってます。
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you.
So I don't know what's happening like right here. It's usually like clear waters and you can see the reflection of like the trees and stuff on the water. It's really nice, but right now there's this weird layer of like grass and leaves and I don't even know what this is. I'm sad that you can't see the reflection right now. いつもはここのこの山とかのなんていうの鏡みたいになってこっちにすごいこうなんかリフレクトってどうやって言うの？リフレクションがこの水の上で見えてすっごい綺麗なんだけど、今日はなんかここにね水とか草とかが水じゃない葉っぱとか草がいっぱいここに溜まっててあんまり見えなくてちょっと残念です。いつもそこがすごい綺麗でこうわーってこうなんていうの絵みたいになるんだけど、なんか今日はここがいっぱい落ちてるみたい。
I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice.
You guys, they have smoothies. I'm so happy. I'm not really hungry, so I don't think I'll get anything to eat. I don't know. These macarons look really good. And I've had these cakes before. I've been to this place in a different location, and it was really good. We didn't have plans to come to a cafe today, but spontaneously decided to come here. I got a very, very smoothie. I'm so happy. Yeah, it's really good. It actually tastes just like the one from Dairy Queen. It's really yummy. 今日はカフェに来るつもりではなかったんですけど、でもなんか外も今日暑いし、ちょっとさっぱりしたいなっていうことで今日来ることにしました。私はベリーベリースムージーを頼んだんだけど、すごく美味しいです。すごいなんかデイリークイーンのやつに似てるって感じ。I'm having like the worst brain freeze right now. Now that we have recharged, we are on our next walk. We are at another trail. I don't know what this one is called, but I haven't really walked around here before, so I'm excited to see the view. 来たことないトレイルに今来てるんですけど、ここなんていうトレイルだろうね。ちょうど今もう6時ぐらいになってちょっと涼しくなってきたので歩きやすくなると思います。We will enjoy the view together for the next hour.
1, 2, 3, oh hey, nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 3 other guys on hold. What's your favorite scene? Is it with Megan Fox or Charlie Chaplin? Oh, another guy I'll take my time with every text you send. Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching my day from yesterday and today. I'm hoping to do something a little bit more exciting sometime this week so that you guys aren't just seeing me at cafes and going on walks. Like, that's literally all I've been doing. So I'm gonna try and figure out something a little bit different that I can be doing in the vlogs for you guys. I hope these are interesting. I'm really trying my hardest to keep up with my vlog game after this whole super fun, adventurous travel life that I had in Japan. ブログはここまでに今日はしたいと思うんですけど、カフェに行ったり散歩したりの繰り返しなので違うものを今週ブログできたらいいなってすごく思うんですけど、もうちょっとこうブログのネタになるようなことをしたらいいかなと思って今ちょっと考えてるんですけど、キラキラした楽しいずっと旅行中だったこの日本のブログの後にこのバンクーバーは結構難しいなと思って、なんかハードルが高いって感じで、なんとかいろいろ撮れるといいんですけど、 So make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. I hope you are all doing super well. Thank you so much for supporting me and I'm excited to see you in the next vlog. じゃあまたね。Bye!
Baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today. Yeah, yeah.